Mitochondria. In 1886, a cytologist named Richard Altman termed mitochondria as bioblast. Then in 1898, Carl Benda renamed the term bioblast as mitochondria, which was taken from the Greek words mitos means thread and chondros states granules. Mitochondria are considered as energy plant of the cell. Mitochondria in cell are like power plant in the city. Mitochondria contain their own DNA. The mitochondrion is bound by two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane, each made up with phospholipid bilayer. Outer membrane covers intermembrane space and inner membrane covers matrix. This matrix is also known as mitochondrial matrix. The inner membrane is highly folded and has enzymes embedded in it that are responsible for the production of ATP through electron transport chain known as aerobic respiration. Each fold is called cristae as they greatly increase the membrane's surface area for ATP production and shows varied structural forms. Mitochondrion metabolizes carbohydrates, fatty acids and amino acids into oxidative energy required to sustain the eukaryotic cell. The mitochondrion makes possible the energy transduction of the cells. Mitochondria carry out the processes of cellular respiration in which the chemical energy of food such as sugars and other biomolecules are metabolized and is converted into chemical energy of the cellular fuel molecule called as ATP. Chloroplast. The chloroplast can also be known as a solar energy plant. Konstantin Merezhkovsky, a noted Russian botanist and biologist, discovered chloroplast in 1905. Chloroplasts are found primarily in algae and plants and some protists. The three major internal membrane partitions of chloroplast are the intermembrane space between the outer membrane and the inner membranes. They have highly permeable outer membrane, a much less permeable inner membrane in which membrane transport proteins are embedded, and a narrow intermembrane space between them. The space enclosed by the inner membrane, which contains a fluid and a network of tubules and hollow discs formed of a membrane, is called as stroma. The space inside the membranous tubules and discs are called as thylakoids. The discs that occur as stacks are called as granum. At this site, the chlorophyll actually traps the solar energy. Like mitochondria, the chloroplast also contain its own DNA, which is responsible for the production of different regulatory proteins. The DNA which is present in the organelles like mitochondria or chloroplast as well as in the cytoplasm of some protists are known as extrachromosomal or extranuclear or cytoplasmic genetic material and are hence responsible for maternal inheritance. Chloroplasts are complex structures that carry out photosynthesis, absorbing solar energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy in the sugar molecules through a process known as photosynthesis evolving a byproduct oxygen. It provides chemical energy directly or indirectly for all other living organisms. Hence, chloroplasts are unique organelles because they are capable of capturing, converting and conserving solar energy in the form of chemical energy.